Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, and today is exciting because we are once again working on the Mk7 GTI. No, it's been a long time coming. We haven't done anything on this car in quite a bit, and frankly, it hasn't really needed much. It's been a great car. I daily drive it every single day, throw the kid in it, groceries, all that stuff. Stage 2 EQT, downpipe, all that good stuff, and it is just a blast to drive. I have been stacking things for it here and there. I've got a set of hood vents on the shelf. I have a set of front and rear brake lines on the shelf. And I've also got a coolant adapter that is not plastic. It is made of billet aluminum. It's machined really nicely, and that is what we're gonna be installing today. So why this part right here? Well, it is, like I said, billet aluminum, machined metal. It's got a nice O-ring, and this is a coolant port that goes in the block of your engine. It's gonna be kind of tough to see, but right down here where this little hose is that the light is shining on, there is a plastic coolant port, and it's right next to the turbo. So after a while, that plastic can get brittle and break, and the O-ring can break, and basically what will happen is you'll have coolant spewing out onto the turbo, onto your engine, causing a lot of steam, and you'll just be losing coolant and coolant pressure. And that is not something that you want in any engine, because you run the risk of losing all your coolant and overheating your engine. And it's kind of a tight spot to get to, so I'm gonna do my best to film the install. Dad Wagon's channel, check it out, link is down in the description below. He actually posted a video on this morning, and I was like, I'm gonna go install this today, and he beat me to it. So definitely check out his video. I'm not trying to compete or anything like that. He's got an awesome car, awesome channel. Check out his install. It's a little bit more in depth than mine is going to be, because I don't do how-to videos really, but I show you the process of installing a part. So we're gonna do our best to shoot this. It's a tight spot. I'm gonna compare the plastic coolant port to our aluminum one, so you guys can see the difference, understand what happens when it might break. Obviously, I'm just future-proofing the car right now. I don't need to replace it. But the part was like $30. You can get a couple different ones from a couple different websites now, but they're all about $30 to $40. So might save the car in the future from headache, who knows? But I don't want to take the risk. So let's go get to the engine bay and get this part installed. So check this out. I took my coolant port out and it was already broken. Like when I took it out, it wasn't hard to get out, like pulling it out, but this plastic piece was left in there, and it's actually part of this right here. Fits on like right there, and it just sheared off. So and the O-ring is like incredibly loose, like you can see it just fell off. So I have avoided disaster here, and this is the piece we're going to be replacing it with. So it's pretty much the same size, except this one shouldn't break, which will be good. And yeah, we just got to throw this one back in. So one thing I did notice is that you do lose some coolant, like actually a good amount, more than I thought you would. Once you pop out the port, it just kind of spews up out of the wherever it's coming out of the block. So I'm gonna have to go grab some more coolant. Luckily I can take the Miata to do that, and I won't have to drive the Golf, but should be pretty easy. I think I can make my life easier if I had taken off the coil pack wiring. Like if I had popped that off, like in Go Dad Wagon's video, he did that and it made it look a lot easier. But I just wanted to see if I could do it this way, and you can, it's just kind of tough. So basically I'm just gonna be throwing in the new coolant port, and I'm gonna put the hose on it so I can kind of guide it in. And actually maybe I'll just, I don't know, I'll see. Yeah, so I'm gonna swap over the hose to this, and then we'll throw in our new coolant port. we are in. You can see it. Hopefully you can kind of see it right down there. It is tough, but yeah, so now we just need to address the lost coolant, but otherwise we are in a good spot, future-proofing the car, fixing, you know, possibly fixing something that could have been bad when I was out on the road. So a lot more confidence in that billet piece rather than the plastic. You guys saw how shredded my old one was. I'm still surprised that it is actually like broken. I wasn't expecting it to actually have broken off into pieces. So there you have it, guys. It can happen to me, it can happen to you. So we're gonna close it out here then. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something in this video on a product that you can pick up to help maintain your Mk7 GTI, all-track, GLI, whatever. These parts can go in these cars, and I'm really glad that I did it because I feel like it was just a matter of time before I started to have a coolant leak. So as I said, big shout out to the Go Dad Wagon channel. His link is down in the description below for posting his video with a lot more detail, so go check out his video as well. Otherwise, we are gonna be doing some more stuff to the GTI soon, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys are enjoying it. If you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.